something. Say something. Okay. Oh.
Uy, ako si Patrick.
Joy. Ito po ang aking dalawang magagandang.
Uy,
Wow. Ang aking dalawang yan po ang aking magandang mga auntie. And sino yan? And extra. Hoy, bawal extra dito. Dagdag lang. And cousin. Okay.
parang inakas kasi mo na ako.
Okay. Yan po. We're having fun with laptop. Woo! Party! Okay. Okay, I'm having fun with them. Oh yeah, thank you very much. Okay. I'm with my beautiful